Hey guys, it's Noelle here with another officially unofficial room tour video. This time we're on the Norwegian Joy. Room 14300. Weird that the door pulls out, I just have to mention that. It's an angled balcony cabin here on the Norwegian Joy. Walking into the room, standard Norwegian room, small. And this, my biggest pet peeve, this closet being next to the bed. Shimmy in to get to the other side. Yeah, I mean, it's ridiculous. Okay, anyway. The bathroom, full-size mirror, ladies. The bathroom is great. I actually really like an enclosed shower. Just a standard cruise ship bathroom. Moving on. Okay, we have some USB chargers on the side of the beds. Nice. Another excellent feature here, since that's the closet for two people. Oh, these little pull-out drawers here on the couch. Shoes aplenty. Couch. We do have these three drawers here. Well, not drawers, I guess cabinets. Okay. But really, let's be honest, what you guys really want to see is this angled balcony. 14300 on the Norwegian Joy. Shabang. Not as spectacular as our corner balcony thing on the Carnival Mardi Gras, but it's pretty good. In fact, it could fit a lounger out here. I just didn't request it. So what I failed to mention in my initial video filming of this room is that this balcony cabin does face the aft of the ship, and it's the last angled balcony on the ship. So you're not looking at other angled balconies. And I'm only throwing this in here because I've read online that some people do seem to have like a little bit of a concern about that. I don't know why, because you can still look to your left and you're seeing other balconies. So I don't know what the issue is with seeing another angled balcony. I mean, we did it on the Mardi Gras. It was fine. They were like across the road from us. Like, who cares? Anyway, my final point in this is that this angled balcony on Norwegian Joy is a great way to have a little bit more space and spend the same exact amount of money on the balcony cabin room. And for me, I'm a weird ass person. I like weird balconies. I'm gonna keep doing my weird balconies, and I hope you're here for it. So thanks guys, I'll see you next time.